energy level. So energy level will probably take us a little long to understand it. So energy level, let's start by definition. What is energy level? Energy level, so energy level, an isolated electron. Keep in mind that unlike poles, charges can be isolated. So an isolated electron is nothing but a negatively charged particle. So a negatively charged particle, an electron, an isolated electron can take only discrete number of a value. When I say isolated electron can take only discrete number of value, I actually mean, let's count how many people in this room. 15 people. Can we have more than 15 people? Yeah, all we need to do invite some people. So we can have more than 15 people. Can we have less than 15 people? Yeah, all we need to do kick some people out from this room. If someone dropped the course, then we're gonna no longer have 15 people, 14. Can we have 10.5 people? No, we cannot have 10.5 people. So discrete is something like whole number. It can 1, 2, 3. It cannot be in between. So when we drew the helium atom, that means when we drew the lithium atom, electron can be here on the first orbital or on the second orbital. Electron cannot be in the middle. So now the equation for it is En equal to E1 over n square. Now E1 is minus 2.17 times 10 raised to negative 18 joule, and we have to convert it to the electron volt. Now 1 electron volt is 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 18 joule. This is the same in magnitude, but the unit is different, joule. So now we're gonna do the conversion, unit conversion, to change change it from joule to convert it from joule to electron volt. And this is pretty simple way of doing it, is negative 2.17 times 10 raised to negative 18 times 1 joule. 1 electron volt is 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 joule. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna cancel joule. So joule cancel. So now, if you remember the scientific notation, which is A times 10 raised to B, and A is between 1 to 10. So this is our A, and this is also our A. So let's take care of the A over A, which is minus 2.17 over 1.6. Now let's take care of 10, which is 10 raised to negative 18. And when you move it up, negative become positive. You get positive 19. So 2.17 divided by 1. If you don't understand one way, you will understand probably the other way. So on that one side of the tree table, we're gonna draw a hydrogen atom. In the hydrogen atom, you have the nucleus, which is a proton sitting inside, and then from this proton, you have a radius. We can call it R1, and the next one is we can call it R2. If I have the another one, we can call it R3, and if I have the another one, we can call it R infinity. So this means that this orbital is infinitely away from the nucleus. Now we will do other way to understand the same concept. We're gonna put first orbital. We're gonna call it n equal to 1, which represent energy level 1, and then we're gonna call n equal 2, which is energy level 2, n equal 3, which is energy level 3, and n equal infinity, which is energy level infinity, n equal 1. We can use this equation. We still have this equation over here, so we can use this equation. This is 13.5 divided by 1, so electron volt 13.5 divided by 1 is still 13.5, so energy level 1 is 13.5 electron volt. That means this guy is R1, this guy is R1, this guy is R2, this guy is R3, and this guy is R infinity. And at energy level 1 I have 13.5, I have 13.5 electron volt. What about at energy level 2? At energy level 2 I have to divide it by 2 times 2, 4. So this is at R2 or N2, N2, R2 or N2. So then 13.5 divided by 4 is 3 something. So I have energy is negative 3 something electron volt. And what about at n equal to 3? At n equal to 3 or radius equal to 3, I have 13.5 divided by 3 square, which is 9. Then I have something like 1.5. So I have negative 1.5 electron volt. What about at infinity? If I divide 13.5 divide by infinity, any number divided by infinity is 0 by definition. So at energy level infinity, at infinite orbital, I have energy 0. Now let's understand. Let's use that information to understand what we have on the left side. At the ground state. At the ground state, energy is negative 13.5 electron volt. That means that the electron is very close to the neutron, very close to the proton. Then proton is happy because proton has full control over the electron, because the electron is very close to proton. Because proton loves see electron moving around it. However, if the electron can absorb some energy from the environment, it can jump to the next level. It needs some 10 electron volt. If it jump to the next level, it is from here to here. Now the proton has less control over electron because it's further away. Now what if electron move from here to here? Now this is 1.5. So if it can move, electron move here, then it has the proton has even less control over electron. Then proton, all of a sudden, proton said, "What's going on? Electron is moving away from me." At one point, proton said, "Wait a minute, why electron is moving away? Is because electron is gaining energy. If it gains enough energy, it can jump to here. If it jump here, then the proton no longer controlling electron, and electron can leave the hydrogen atom at any time, making the hydrogen atom a cation. It can become a positively charged ion." We will stop here. We will do the rest of the study tomorrow.
Subscribe to Bari Science Lab to fall in love with math and science, especially programming.